Right, I'm here with the DTC to the MTC to the Timeless Classics, man. And we're working on
DTC to the
STC, Sings Timeless Classic.
STD.
So what we're going to do, today's objective is to fit a short shifter because the factory Porsche 996 shifter is too long and too sloppy, isn't it?
Yeah, and this one, first and second, is just horrible, isn't it? We just can't, it's just not right. So hopefully we can cure that with a short shift.
Yeah. So what we're going to do, guys, is take both seats out, which you need a reverse torque 14, size 14. Get your seats out. We're going to get this other seat out. Then we're going to strip this centre console out, which is mainly a whole series of torque nuts and Phillips nuts all the way down here. You've got to pop the side of this off. And then this comes off. And then you've got access to everything. And you can also adjust the handbrake as well, because I've just done this on my one out here. So, yeah, and the short shifter kit is amazing value for money, isn't it?
Yeah, really. There's loads of them on eBay, different prices. That one there, I put him in, it was up for 39. I put in a cheeky offer of like 30 quid and they counted me at 32 or something like that.
I mean, that's worth every penny because it's all machined metal and it looks pretty good. You could replace those bushings, but you won't need to now, but like in 10 years' time or something, and they've compressed, if you put a little metal washer in there, brass washer or something. But these are good. These are I mean, it's surprised that's really good quality for the price. You think, not everything that's cheap is rubbish. You know, if that was made of plastic, it was a Porsche part, it'd be like 500 quid.
Yeah, exactly. Probably made by the same factory.
Yeah, well, yeah.
Sometimes.
Yeah, so we're just being careful here. Once we've got everything out, we'll come back in and we'll show you where we're at with the installation. This is not difficult, and we should have it done quite quickly, I think. Right, so we're in here just removing the old short shifter. So the old short shifter has these plastic
teeth.
Yeah, holding the main axle of it, if you like.
Squish them together to force it out, and
so that plastic
break off, but it doesn't matter because you're not putting it back on.
I don't think you could get them out any other way, are you?
No, they're just brittle because they're old.
Break those off and then just smack them out. There, you can see it. You can see.
Oh, wants to come, doesn't she?
Dan's
She's nearly there.
Years of engineering training.
Years of budgeteering training.
There we go.
There we go. Hey!
Right, so actually,
you have to break them off.
Oh, that one will be easier though, won't it?
Yeah, because it slides out now. Well, you still got the same problem because once you get it out, you've got to squish the teeth in.
You've got to destroy these. So while Danny's doing that, ignore any hammering. Do not be alarmed. We fixed the. This was all snapped, this plastic hinge. So Danny had another car with the metal hinge fix. So we popped the rivets out of that and then put this one in. And that's working really well, actually. So quite pleased with that. That just means we can use the original colour, you know, the proper colour that was for the car, which is important because that's all the same colour. It's all black there. It's all black around the stereo. And if you know, we'd have had to paint one or use Danny's satin one. We did have some options, but we've managed to recover the original one, which is really important. And we've put the barrel lock on that we're going to be using with these two keys, which is important. So that's all ready. I've given that a little wipe over. That will all go back in. So next is really just to get this short shifter in. So once Danny's got that other piece out, we'll put the new short shifter in. I'm just thinking, and that should be quite straightforward. So back in a second. Danny's putting the new one back in. So you've got to take the pin out in there. That slides out that way, and then you can get that piece out.
The hardest bit's getting the cable back on the bottom of the shifter.
Yeah, and then you've got to pop off both ball kind of socket ball joints, if you like. Yeah. One that goes on the bottom of that and one that goes on the ring in there.
And then you get them back on.
And then
it's not easy.
Then you got this one out. You don't need this thing, I don't think. Well, you ain't going to get it because the ball's bigger. So that then you put that in that way round first and that way round. Line up your blue cable first on the side, then put your pin back in, and then Dan's trying to get the main ball joint on the bottom there to pop back in
to the cable,
which is proving a little bit fiddly.
In DTC, I took this whole thing out, which was a bit easier, but
I don't reckon you need to do that.
Well, it's probably easier to do this bit. The rest of it's been alright so far, but this bit is proving very difficult, John. It's very greasy.
You said that without a swear word. This bit's proving a challenge.
Very challenging.
Right, we'll have that done in a second. Doug. Okay, guys, so the shifter is in. I've been just greasing some bits up. Feels a lot better now, and there isn't any play, so that's really good.
Oh, what a day!
What a day, Danny! What a
day.
day! But we're nearly there. We've got to put it all back together now.
The
The easy bit.
The G-clamp hammers and big screwdrivers don't really sort of bode well as to what happened here.
It's like a surgeon. There'd be a saw there as well. One of those big giant horse syringes.
We are professionals, really. We're professional amateurs.
Professional bodgers. But no, it's like, we know what we're doing. That's good. Okay, guys, we've finished. We're just testing it now. What's the retail on one of those, Danny?
First is really easy to find now. It's much better. Reverse and first are like that much difference. It's like that's reverse, that's first. They're really, really close. Second's not so nice, bit notchy. Same as DTC.
I wonder
Even
if it's
I
something
clutch
going on at the other
down.
end though, Dan, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm thinking the other end. Second to third's lovely, third to fourth lovely, fourth to fifth, fifth to sixth.
Right.
So it's only second gear that's a bit snaggy. First is better than it was, and it is just nicer in general. Reverse is lovely.
And just pop that little centre section up there, Danny. Look at that, I'm proud of that bit. That was bugging me. That was bugging me. I want to get that other bit fixed before you go.
Need to drive now, see what you think.
Okay, but we'll end the video here, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out Dan's Timeless Classics for more Porsche stuff.
996 specials.
Yes. Oh, yeah.